In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your domain's DNS records using Cloudflare. Whether you're new to DNS management or just need a refresher, this guide will help you step by step through the process. Let's dive in and make DNS management easy and straightforward. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Cloudflare's website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and follow their process to add your domain. But if you do, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which lists all the domains you have set up on Cloudflare. Choose the domain you wish to work with by clicking on it. Now that we're on the domain overview page, let's proceed to the DNS settings. Navigate to the top menu where you'll find a tab named DNS. Click on it, and this will take you to the DNS management section for your selected domain. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of DNS records, which can include A records, CNAMEs, MX records, and others, depending on your domain's configurations. Next, you'll need to locate the specific DNS record you want to manage, be it to view, modify, or delete. Let's say you want to remove a record. This could be necessary if you're cleaning up outdated records or perhaps migrating services. Scroll through the list of records until you find the one you wish to delete. To make this process easier, Cloudflare offers a simple filter tool at the top of the records list, which can be quite handy if you have a long list of DNS entries. Once you've identified the target record, you'll see a checkbox right next to it. Go ahead and tick this box. With the record selected, look for the Delete option. It's usually located at the top of the list, highlighted and easy to spot. Click Delete, and a prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your decision. This safeguard is in place to prevent accidental deletions, so double-check that you've selected the correct record and then confirm the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a DNS record from your domain using Cloudflare. This action is quite immediate, but keep in mind DNS changes might take a short time to propagate across the internet fully. Remember, handling DNS settings is a critical responsibility as it controls how visitors, including search engine bots, access your website. Incorrect changes could impact your site's accessibility, so always be cautious and ensure you have a backup or know how to re-add any records you might need later on. Thanks for following along today. Managing your DNS records is an important task, and with Cloudflare, it's made simple and secure. You've now taken another step toward mastering your domain management, ensuring your site runs smoothly and efficiently. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy managing.